High cholesterol is all over our world. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a type of lipid or fat in our blood. Cholesterol helps make hormones like testosterone, vitamin D, and a substance called bile that helps digest the food that we eat. Now, what is high cholesterol? High cholesterol is basically where you have amounts of cholesterol that is higher than recommended. This exceeding amount of cholesterol starts to clog our arteries. Let's go into a few quick facts. In America, 32% of the population has high cholesterol. Now, that is a percentage that needs to be reduced, or you know what the outcome will be. The ideal amount of cholesterol that you should consume is around 200 milligrams. The bad part about this is that not many people actually take the ideal amount. Many people go over this number, which is causing them to have high cholesterol. So before you go on to eat something, be sure to check the nutrition label. What causes high cholesterol, you ask? High cholesterol can be caused by 5 key reasons. 1. By the cholesterol-rich foods many of us eat, like meats. 2. Overweight. 3. Lack of exercise. 4. Age. And finally, 5th, family history. For example, where a parent or a grandparent had a history of high cholesterol. How does cholesterol function in our body, and what happens when you have too much? Okay, so let's start with the basics. There are 2 types of cholesterol that our liver produces and that we get from foods we eat. High-density lipoproteins, also known as cholesterol, and low-density lipoproteins, also known as bad cholesterol. The cholesterol is packaged into these 2 types of proteins and flow through our stream to the heart and brain. LDL flows through our blood and provides cholesterol to those blood cells that need it for the cell membrane. But the bad part is that the cholesterol that isn't needed builds up on the walls of our arteries and forms a fatty deposit called plaque, which then slowly builds up and blocks the artery, which reduces blood flow. Now on to HDL. This cholesterol is the good cholesterol, and it removes excess cholesterol from blood cells and blood vessels. From there, the HDL returns the LDL to the liver, and then has the liver get rid of it from our body. The functions may seem simple. But what happens when you take in more LDL than HDL? This is where the arteries start to get clogged. An LDL level above 160 is high, and an HDL level below 40 is low, and this is the case for many Americans with high cholesterol. Why should you care? This is something you must acknowledge, because you could be a future victim of high cholesterol.